So those of you who are in Great Bend might be wise to go ahead and think about what's happening here, because when you look at this on our wind display, Andrew, if we could maybe move a little bit further to the east there, you'll see that we have a little bit of a problem right here. You've got the warm colors moving away from the radar right here, and then you've got the cool colors coming inbound. So there is something going on in this general area just southwest of Great Bend. We have queried the National Weather Service about this. Let's try the storm relative velocities. It's basically a different way of looking at the wind, taking into account the motion of the storm. And again, same thing. We have something going on right here on the southwest side of Great Bend. Back to the rain echoes, and you can see that, and it does look awful suspicious to me, friends. So I'd like to again suggest that this might be a good time to go ahead and move back into that shelter position that you were in just a couple of minutes ago, because that again looks awful suspicious to me, south and west of Great Bend, and getting ready to move back across the city. So again, I'm just going to project that 1:30 arrival time at Great Bend Airport, 1:36 at Great Bend. Go ahead, Andrew.
Hey, Dave, in between everything, we have one spot of good news, and that is that law enforcement reported no significant damage to the city of Ellenwood. We did report earlier that trees and power lines were down south of the city, but the good news is that now that we've actually got a little bit of an assessment of the damage within city limits, we can be very happy to report that there is no significant damage to the city of Ellenwood.
Well, that's really good. It's such a pretty little town, no question about it. Now, we have some further details from the National Weather Service saying that there still is another possible tornado over by Ellenwood, which we just talked about, and moving to the north and east, and that one would basically continue to affect those areas that are over central Barton and northwestern Rice County. So there, again, the National Weather Service is continuing warning with the possibility for another tornado near Ellenwood and moving northeast, and another potential tornado east of Great Bend also moving northeast. So we're going to go ahead and reevaluate those instances, and you have another report there.
Yeah, this just goes to show, Dave, that even if you are not in a tornado, we can still see very gusty straight line winds. A thunderstorm wind gust reported in Great Bend, the actual city of Great Bend, it was an official National Weather Service observation, 72 miles per hour. That was measured there. I'm sure that with all the wind gusts and damage reports we've had tonight around the area, that we've seen even stronger than that. But again, 72 mile per hour wind gusts reported at Great Bend, and that was an official National Weather Service observation. Okay,
thanks very much, Andrew. And again, I'm a little bit worried about that area southwest of Great Bend, and I hope that those of you who are in the path of that storm will remember to take that into account. Now, as we go back over into the eastern parts of Barton County, we still see a couple of potential trouble spots, and this is one that the National Weather Service was talking about